To permanently delete your Google Photos account, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to permanently delete your photos from Google Photos. Now to do it, you just need to make sure that you have a Google Photos account with you. So simply open the Google Photos app, and this is the homepage of Google Photos where you'll see the option of Photos, Collection, Create, Search at the very bottom taskbar. Now select the photo which you want to permanently delete. So I just want to delete this photo for once. So here you'll see the option of Share, Add to Album, Create, Add. So if you delete the photo from there, it will just simply go to the bin, and from there you just need to tap on the option of Collection, which is at the bottom, or you may also see the option at the very top. So from here you just need to click on the option of bin, and you just need to select the photo which you want to delete. So after selecting the photo which you want to delete, here you will see the option of Restore and Delete at the bottom. So click on the option of Delete like this, and it says allow photo to delete this photo. So click on the option of Allow, and that's it. That's how you can permanently delete the photos from Google Photos. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.